In this video, I will show you how to make letters transparent in Canva. So just click on the text. Now from here, go on transparency right over here and make it 40, 30 or 20 according to your choice. And as you can see, the text is transparent. Now, probably you are thinking, can you make a specific part of the text transparent or not? The answer is no, you can't. You can't make it directly, but yeah, you can make it by using a trick. The trick is just duplicate the text to clear the specific part of the text from the original one and make it transparent like this. By using this trick, you can make a specific part of the text transparent. That's it for the video. Thanks for